Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel as we are close to ending another year. One of the things, especially for us in the Northern Hemisphere, might be that we are in the snow and the cold and the dark gray weather. Well, of course, one of the things you can do is use a wallpaper on your desktop to kind of cheer you up when you look at your screen. So the one that I will be highlighting this week is very nice. It's called Sun and Sand, and basically it's beaches and sunny days to keep you warm. So you can, of course, install this and check it out, and hopefully enjoy beautiful, warm background pictures that will make you maybe also kind of dream of a future or a non-distant future where you'll be there someday. So it is available in the Microsoft Store. This is my highlight for today, December the 30th, 2020, where we, of course, are looking, and I was saying that I would highlight every time I change my wallpaper package to tell you which one it is, because a lot of you are always asking me what wallpaper I'm using. So if you want to have these beautiful pictures on your computer, Microsoft Store, so basically you can go into your settings. In your settings, you go into the themes, and you can click Get More Themes in the Microsoft Store. And in there, in the Microsoft Store, just search for Sun and Sand Premium by Microsoft. It is the one that is available there, and then you can get and of course apply. Themes are always very cool, and there's a lot of them, as you see here. So to find it, I went quite far down actually, so just go down until you see Sun and Sand Premium, and have that. Once it's installed on your computer, what you do is, of course, you go into your themes and make sure that you double click on the Sun and Sand Premium to activate it. And if you want to have, of course, the accent colors changing to the background picture that you have, make sure also that in the colors you go and put the automatically pick an accent color from my background, so that they actually follow the different colors of the theme in the background. So this is always kind of very, very cool and nice to add at the same time. So free and set of pictures that will keep you warm through maybe the winter. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.